Hello students, this is a class for BA parts. First, uh, we will be reading the poem Alexander's Feast, a poem by John Dryden. I am your English teacher, Dr. Anil Kumar Dadhij. We have already done part 1 of Alexander's Feast. We discussed that it was written to celebrate the Saint Cecilia's Day, uh, particularly in 1697. Uh, this poem commemorates the power of music. How powerful music is, the poet relates in this beautiful poem. We also discussed what is an ode because this poem is in form of an ode. Okay, so uh, the poem tells you about the story of the feast or the celebrations that were made by Alexander the Great after he won the Battle of Persia. There, the great musician Timotheus was also seated high in the party and he was playing music on the musical instrument lyre. We have already done up to the praise of Bacchus, and now we reach to this place where the king became vain. He started fantasizing about wars and killing in fantasy the kings who were already killed in the battlefield. It was all in his imagination. And when Timotheus, the musician, saw that the king is becoming vain, proud, and you can say uh, egoistic about his power, so just to make him emotional, the poet chose what he chooses. So let us begin the poem. He chose a mournful muse. Mournful means sad. Mourn means to lament. यानी a poem. Muse means a poem. कैसी poem? Mournful, sad poem. He chose a lyric which was sad. Soft pity to infuse. To infuse means to instill. डालने के लिए किसमें? Alexander में. कैसे emotions? Soft pity के emotions. So the musician chose to inculcate the emotions of soft pity in Alexander the Great, and therefore he started singing a mournful song. He sang Darius great and good. He sang about Darius the king, who was great, who was good also, and by too severe a fate. Severe means hard, rigid, कठोर. फेट मीन्स भाग्य, जिसका दुर्भाग्य आने के कारण, टू सीवियर ए फेट होने के कारण, ड्यूरियस वॉज फॉलन 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 फॉलन. The singer repeats this word fallen 4 times just to uh, give you emphasis that even the great and good king like Darius can be fallen. So fallen, 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 fallen from his high estate, इतना ऊंचा होने के बावजूद, being so great, and weltering in his blood, rolling in his blood, अपने ही खून से लथपथ, deserted at his utmost need. Deserted means left alone. He was left alone at the time when he needed them utmost. अपने दोस्तों को, अपने सैनिकों को जब उसको सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत थी, तब he was deserted, he was left alone by those his former bounty fed, who were he was deserted by those people who were fed, जिनको उसने फीड किया था, जिनको उसने खिलाया पिलाया था, किससे? With his former bounty. Bounty means gifts. Yeah, you can say salary, or you can say the money that he spent on these former friends, वो सब उसको छोड़ के चले गए in his difficult times, in his उसमें on the bare earth exposed he lies, he कौन है? Darius the great. In the battlefield he lies bare, on the bare earth, जमीन पे पड़ा है, exposed, कपड़े इधर उधर बिखरे हुए, with not a friend to close his eyes. He died and not a single friend was there to close his eyes when he died. Actually, this is the severe fate. This is the example of severe fate. And this kind of mournful song would definitely instill pity in anybody. किसी में भी दया का भाव भर देगा कि कोई राजा का ऐसा दुर्भाग्य हो सकता है. विद डाउनकास्ट लुक्स, अब आंखें नीची हो गई है. डाउनकास्ट मतलब नीचे देखना, लुक्स ऐसी आंखें जो नीचे झुक गई हैं, उनके साथ द जॉयलेस विक्टर सेट. द विक्टर मीन्स विजेता, द विनर. और विनर अब कैसा हो गया है? अब तक बहुत खुश था, लेकिन अब कैसा हो गया है? जॉयलेस. देयर इज नो जॉय लेफ्ट इन हिज हार्ट नाउ ऑन लिसनिंग टू द स्टोरी ऑफ डेरियस. तो जॉयलेस विक्टर सेट, विक्टर मीन्स विनर. ही वॉज सिटिंग revolving in his altered soul. Altered means changed. Now his soul is changed. So, revolving, moving in his altered soul, the various turns of chance below. और क्या देख रहा है? The various turns, changes of chance, fate and chance below. And now and then a sigh he stole. Stole means चोरी करना. तो चुपके से ही साइड, साई मीन्स आहें भरना, या यू कैन से वीप. ही क्राइड, बट बिकॉज ही वॉज ए वॉरियर, बिकॉज ही वॉज ए विनर, ही कुड नॉट शो his tears, therefore stole. चुपके से उसने, now and then he sighed and tears began to flow, and then ultimately he could not control his tears. The mighty master smiled to see that love was in the next degree. Mighty master. Who is mighty master? Mighty master is Timotheus the musician, जिसने ये mood change किया था. He smiled to see the effect. And then you know, if a heart is melted with pity, जिसके दिल में दया भर गई हो, उसके दिल में love is the emotion which will definitely come in the next degree. So the mighty master smiled to see that love was, the emotion of love was in the next degree. It was but a kindred sound. Kindred means similar. It was a kindred sound, a similar sound to move your heart. For means because pity melts the mind to love. Because when pity is there in your heart, it melts the mind into love. पीटी के बाद जो दूसरा सबसे एप्रोप्रिएट, उचित जो इमोशन है, दैट इज लव. सॉफ्टली स्वीट, कैसा गाना है? सॉफ्टली है, स्वीट है. इन लीडियन मीजर्स, लीडिया जगह का नाम है, वहाँ के मीजर्स में, मीजर कहते हैं छंद को, तो वहाँ के लिरिक्स में, मतलब वहाँ के म्यूजिक में, सून, वेरी सून, ही कौन? द म्यूजिशियन टिमोथियस soothed his soul to pleasures. He soothed the king's soul to pleasures, pleasures of love. War, he sung is toil and trouble. अब देखिए, जो वॉर को प्रेज कर रहा था, वही अब इस गाने में लव का जो थीम है, उसमें क्या कहता है? वॉर इज टॉयल, वॉर इज हार्ड वर्क, वॉर इज ट्रबल ओनली. ऑनर, वॉर में डेफिनेटली यू विन ऑनर, आप सम्मानित होते हो, बिकॉज यू बिकम विक्टोरियस. बट दिस ऑनर इज बट एन एम्प्टी बबल. ये एक एम्प्टी बबल है, ये एक बबला है, बगुला है, लेकिन कैसा है? एम्प्टी, अंदर से खाली, ऐसा बबल है. नेवर एंडिंग, और वॉर एक ऐसी चीज़ है विच नेवर कम्स टू एन एंड. यू कंटिन्यू फाइटिंग बिकॉज योर एनिमी विल डेफिनेटली अटैक सूनर और लेटर. So war is never ending and still beginning. It always continues to begin. fighting still and still destroying. Fighting and destroying will continue. If the world is worth thy winning, if this world is worth thy winning, think, oh, think. Oh, the musician addresses to the emperor, to the king, that think, oh, think it worth enjoying. If you want to win the world, definitely you should think of enjoying this world also. Lovely Thais. Thais कौन है? The beautiful lady, beloved and wife of Alexander. So lovely Thais, beautiful lady Thais sits beside you. The means you. So lovely Thais sits beside you. Take the good the God provides thee. Therefore, the musician advises ki take the good. What is good? Good means the good fortune. So it is your good fortune that Thais is sitting by you and gods have provided you with Thais. So enjoy her. Many rend the skies with loud applause. And when this love story, when Thais was admired in this manner, so many means many people, many soldiers, many companions of Alexander, they rend. Rend means टीयर फाड़ देना आसमान चीर दिया उन्होंने किससे विद लाउड अपलोज बहुत तेज अपलोज के साथ बहुत तेज तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट के साथ सो मीन्स इन दिस मैनर लव वॉज क्राउंड लव को इतना क्राउनिंग ग्लोरी मिली बट म्यूजिक वॉन द कोज लेकिन लव का ये जो कोज है ये जीता किसके कारण म्यूजिक म्यूजिक वॉन द कोज so let us do this much today. We will do rest of the poem in the next part. Thank you very much. If you have any problem, you can ask me. You can WhatsApp me your queries.